Hey Riley, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good, good. So you've got the new Kanab Detail here across from Honey's next to Little's place.
Yep.
So what's going on here?
Well, this truck came in, hunting season's over.
Oh.
He wanted a couple of scratches buffed out, so I'm working on correcting that.
Gotcha. So you do more than just cleaning cars and stuff like that. You do some major detailing?
Yes, so I can do everything from engine cleaning to undercoating to interior cleaning, stain removal, all the way up to buffing, ceramic coating,
Wow.
pretty much everything.
Okay. And do you have a list of what your charges are for these things?
So I actually have a flat rate of $100 an hour.
Okay.
And it just depends on how long it takes. I'm usually scheduled 2 weeks out, so I have to move fast.
Right.
So it doesn't take very long.
And what hours are you open?
So I'm usually here from 10 to 6.
10 to 6. Okay. And if somebody wants to get hold of you, do they call?
Yeah, we have a shop phone here, 435-868-7157.
Okay, cool. And you are running a special right now, are you not? If somebody pre-signs up?
Yes, so I actually just started 2 new specials. Since there's no unlimited washes out here like the tag and go and stuff, I just opened up a new unlimited wash. And then I have a VIP program where if you buy a full 12 months before the first of the year, you get it for $600, so it saves you $120 off of the regular monthly fee.
Okay, and that's full detail once a month?
That would be wash and wax, vacuum, wipe down, floor mats, and windows once a month. Yep.
Okay, cool. And I bet you stay pretty busy, especially this time of year.
Yes, especially because I'm the only detail clear to St. George.
Oh my gosh, that's right. And so it's been pretty good business for you.
Yep, very busy.
Awesome, cool. Well, it's nice meeting you and can't
Nice to
wait
meet
to
you.
see more people come to your shop. Thanks so much.
You bet.